Hello friends, welcome to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. So friends, we are presenting all the latest government job updates in finance domain in this channel every week. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And friends, also don't forget to click on the bell icon so as to receive a notification whenever we are updating a new video. So let's begin and go through jobs of this week. So friends, first a reminder for those who have still not applied for these 373 vacancies advertised by IDBI Bank. Friends, here the recruitment was for executives and the education qualification asked was graduation with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit here is 25 years and here you will be initially on contractual period for 3 years where you will be getting a stipend of rupees 29,000 for first year, 31,000 for second year and 34,000 for third year. And once your 3 years contractual period will be over, you will be eligible for appointment as assistant manager grade A. Friends, here even freshers are eligible to apply. Hurry up, as you will have to apply before 18th August 2021. So friends, before we move ahead, an important piece of information for those who applied for junior accountant or accounts officer at Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and its group of companies, or applied for management trainee finance at Bharat Dynamics Limited or Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited, please visit our website financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus consisting of 60% marks in case of Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited, 67% marks in case of Bharat Dynamics Limited and 80% weightage in case of OPTCL is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. So friends, here explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required, and not only this, there is an email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates while practicing these contents. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of FinanceMCQ.in is prepared by professionals such as chartered accountant and cost and management accountant, which gives the course a professional edge and in-depth coverage of the entire technical syllabus. And friends, if you log into FinanceMCQ.in website, take a demo, you will realize that the entire system is designed in such a way so as to give you a feel of real exam-like environment. So friends, do visit FinanceMCQ.in and practice for your technical syllabus well. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Union Bank for the recruitment of 60 vacancies of senior manager risk. So friends, we have already made a detailed video on this advertisement, so do check out the video. The link is given in the description box below. Now let's go through important highlights of this advertisement. Friends, here the recruitment was from Union Bank for recruitment of 60 vacancies of senior manager risk. So friends, education qualification asked was either a CA, CMA, CS or CFA or CFRM certification, that is certification in financial risk management, or a professional risk management certification holder, or MBA finance or PGDM finance, or master in mathematics, statistics, economics with minimum 60% marks is eligible to apply. Friends, the upper age limit here is 40 years. These are permanent vacancies, but you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. So friends, here your per month pay scale would be 63,840 to 78,230 every month, and you'll have to apply online latest by 3rd September 2021. So friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for manager risk and there are total 60 vacancies. Friends, education qualification is same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, age limit is 35 years. These are again permanent vacancies, and here you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And here your per month pay scale would be 48,170 to 69,810 every month. Friends, you'll have to apply online here also by 3rd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy from the same organization under manager chartered accountants category. Education qualification asked is a chartered accountancy degree, while the upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, there are total 14 vacancies, all are permanent, and here you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for the vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 48,170 to 69,810 every month, and you'll have to apply online latest by 3rd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Union Bank, for the recruitment of 120 vacancies of assistant manager forex and 50 vacancies of manager forex. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation along with a full-time MBA, PGDBA or PGDBM or PGPM or PGDM in finance or international business or trade finance with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit for assistant manager is 30 years, while for manager it is 35 years. All are permanent vacancies. Friends, to apply for assistant manager forex, freshers are also eligible, while to apply for manager forex you need to have 3 years of experience. Friends, as far as your per month pay scale is considered, For assistant manager forex, the pay scale is 36,000 to 63,840, while for manager forex it is 48,170 to 69,810 every month. Friends, here also you'll have to apply online latest by 3rd September 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Women and Child Development Corporation under Social Welfare Department, Bihar. Friends, here the education qualification asked is MBA in Finance or Rural Development or PG in Economics or Commerce. Friends, name of the post was State Project Manager Microfinance. Friends, they have not mentioned any upper limit in the advertisement, but there are total 1 vacancy that is on contractual basis, and the experience requirement is 5 years, and you will get a concentrated amount of 60,632 per month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 30th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of accounts officer. Friends, education qualification asked is BCom honors or MCom or CA inter or CMA inter. Friends, there are total 1 vacancy. Again, it is also on contractual basis. Friends, as far as experience is considered, you need to have minimum 5 years of experience in handling all accounts related matters. Even officers retired as account audit officer from finance service of state government or AG are also eligible to apply. Friends, you will get a consultant amount of 36,218 every month. Friends, here again you will have to apply online latest by 30th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of cashier. Friends, the education qualification asked is BCom, again a contractual vacancy, and 3 years of experience requirement is there. Friends, you will get a per month consultant of amount of rupees 24,145 here, and you'll have to apply online latest by 30th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from CSIR Institute of Microbial Technology, which is under Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 vacancies of Junior Secretariat Assistant under Finance and Accounts at Chandigarh. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10+2 or its equivalent with accountancy, along with a typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi. Friends, these are permanent vacancies and freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, you will get a package of 3.30 lakhs per annum, and you will have to apply online latest by 15th September 2021. So friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so you can directly click there and apply for your vacancies. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of Junior Secretariat Assistant, here in General or Stores and Purchase category. Friends, the education qualification asked is 10+2 or its equivalent, along with typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi. Friends, the upper age limit is 28 years. Here there are total 7 vacancies, and in all cases freshers are eligible to apply. And your per annum package would be 3.30 lakhs. Friends, here again you'll have to apply online latest by 15th September 2021. So friends, next opportunity is from IDBI Bank, where IDBI Bank has basically entered an MOU with Manipal Global Education Services Private Limited and Niti Education International Private Limited to offer a 1-year post-graduation diploma in banking and finance course. And friends, once you are done with this course, you will be recruited as assistant manager grade A in IDBI Bank. Friends, while doing your course, you will be getting a stipend of 2,500 for initial 9 months, where there will be a classroom training, and after 9 months you will get a stipend of 10,000 for the remaining 3 months, where you will be actually working in one of the branches of IDBI Bank. And friends, once you are absorbed as assistant manager grade A in IDBI Bank, then your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 36,000 to 63,840 every month. So friends, excellent opportunity, especially for fresh passed out graduates, as there are total 650 vacancies on all India basis. And education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks. So friends, here the upper age limit is 28 years. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 22 August 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research Development and Design Center, which is under Ministry of Mines. So friends, here the recruitment is for 2 vacancies of junior assistant at Nagpur. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with typing speed of 40 words per minute or certificate in computers. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. These are permanent vacancies, and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this vacancy, and you'll get a package of 4 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 24th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation Limited for the recruitment of one vacancies of project officer under seed fund category. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a contractual vacancy where you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, you will get a per month consolidated amount of 40,000 rupees and you'll have to apply online latest by 25th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of business development executive. Friends, there are total 7 vacancies under investment facilitation, business incubation center and investment promotion categories. Friends, the education qualification asked is first class degree along with a first class MBA degree. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years and as I said there are total 7 vacancies, all are on contractual basis and here you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy and you'll get a consolidated amount of 30,000 every month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 35th August 2021. So friends, next vacancy is from Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology, a state university. Here the recruitment is for one vacancies of purchase manager at New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation degree with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a contractual vacancy and here you need to have preferably 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, here your per month constant amount would range between 50,000 to 70,000. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 22nd August 2021. So friends, next vacancy is from IIT Delhi for the recruitment of one vacancy of project attendant at New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a BCom or BSc. Friends, they have not mentioned any upper age limit, but it's a contractual vacancy and you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy. And here you will get a per annum package of 3.6 lakhs per annum. Friends, to apply for this vacancy, you will have to apply a walk-in on 1st September 2021. So friends, next vacancy is from Department of Social Welfare and Women and Child Development. Friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of accountant at Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Friends, education qualification asked is graduation in commerce and upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, it's a contractual vacancy and you will get a per month consolidated amount of 14,000 rupees. Friends, you need to have experience between 2 to 5 years to apply for this vacancy and you will have to apply offline to the organization latest by 18th August 2021. So friends, that's all for this week. I hope the video was useful. So stay tuned for Finance MCQ channel for more updates. See you all next week. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.